This is a super dirty 4.7 liter 09 Ram 1500. I am replacing the serpentine belt and alternator. There's not a lot of videos on YouTube. Everyone has the 5.7, which is a great engine, but so is the 4.7. The serpentine belt is in this setup. All you have to do to remove it is pull the tensioner clockwise, remove one bolt from the intake, pop it up, only one. There's a little hook right here that pops up. Then you can remove the ground bolt from the alternator, the plug in the back, a 13 mil I think, and two 15 millimeters. I already have mine almost out, and then put it back in the reverse order.